welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the list of candidates who have applied for the job post and how you can confirm or reject them. So go to HRM, and in HRM you'll see a new tab called as Recruitment. So in recruitment, we have over here, we'll be able to see the current recruitment form. So if a candidate directly comes to the institute or to the university or school, you can fill the form for them as well. And there's a recruitment CRM where you'll be able to see all the prospective candidates who have applied, all their info that they have entered, their name, mobile number, qualification as such, and picture. And you'll be able to click here and download the resume. So you'll be able to view the resume, and after seeing the resume and basic information, you can decide whether you want to confirm that particular application or reject that particular application. So this is how you'll be able to manage recruitment CRM. You'll be able to see all the candidates who have applied, their basic information. You can click here and download the resumes, check the resumes, and based on that you can either confirm or reject that particular application. And you can also see the recruitment form as well. So that's all about our recruitment and approval and rejection of our recruitment form. Thank you.